thank you, Jesus. Hello, beautiful and amazing Pathfinders. Welcome back again to another helpful video. Yes, I can hear someone saying, Frieda, long time. Yeah, your baby girl has been very busy. Sitting down in front of camera has been very costly, you know. Yes, fam, thank you all so much for your love and your support. Thank you all so much for always watching my videos, liking, sharing, and commenting. God bless each and every one of you. And I want to say a big welcome to all our new Pathfinders. Thank you for choosing to join this amazing family. Honestly, you are definitely in the right place. Yes, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. Yes, fam, please, if you know you've been watching, you haven't liked this video yet, please, so just give it a like, okay? A very huge thumbs up. God bless you. I just got back from the grocery and I decided to show you guys what I've got. Yes, there are actually some of those things that I can't do without, all right? Especially cosmetics. So I'm going to be showing them to you right now, okay? And number one on my list is Vaseline. All right, if you see me rushing this video, you will know that yes, I don't want it to be overly long. All right, yeah, Vaseline is actually a very good one for me. I use Vaseline literally on every part of my body. I use Vaseline on my hair, I use it on my body as my body moisturizer, I use it on my face, I use it on my feet, I use it on my lip. Oh my goodness, I use it as my hand balm. Yeah, what have you not done for me, Vaseline? It is a very good one. And one special thing about this particular brand, mind you, this is not a sponsored video. One beautiful thing about this special brand is that it is a very good one when it comes to using it as my lip balm. Honestly, when I apply it on my lip, oh my god, just give it 5 minutes and you come back with your cotton pad, you wipe it, the rough texture on your lips, they are all gone. Abe, yes, it is a very beautiful one. It is a very good one. Yeah, I use this instead of lip balm, so try it out. You will definitely love it. And especially if you are maybe above 30s, all right, try adding Vaseline to your body moisturizer. It is a very good one for you because your skin needs to be more hydrated. And another one again on my list is Aloe Vera. Yes, cosmetic aloe vera. This one is a very good one. You can use it on your skin as well. Yeah, you can use it on your face. You can use it as a base moisturizer. You can use it as a primer. You can use it as your setting spray. Yes, by mixing distilled water to it and adding a little, maybe a few drops of oil. It is a very good one, honestly. Yes, you can add it to your body cream as well, aloe vera. And another one again that I can't do without, you all have seen it on my channel. Yes, any body shower will do, okay? It doesn't necessarily mean it has to be this particular brand. It is a very good one, body shower, because I normally convert most of this body shower to my own body shower, okay? The DIY soap that I normally make. And I'm going to be leaving the link of all this DIY soap and DIY cream in the description area, all right? So you can click on them and watch them. Yes, I can't do without body shower at all. Do without it. My cleansing pad. Yes, I normally use this to get rid of dirt from my face, and this one and lemon, okay? They are always together, so I can't do without this as well. My makeup remover. Yes, this is my makeup remover, my makeup wipe. Yes, you can actually buy any one of your choice. After all, you are just going to be using it to wipe makeup off your face. Yes, for me, before I use this, I normally apply olive oil just to soften and, you know, bring down the stiffness of the makeup before I will not come in with my makeup wipe, okay? Yeah, and another one again that I can't do without is my body butter. This one is actually cocoa butter. It is a very good one. You all know me. I am going to be doing some combination in my subsequent videos, so please stay tuned. All right, yes, I can't do without stuff like this, all right, because they are very, very useful and helpful for me. Yeah. And I just got this one. Is baking soda cosmetic? Yeah, for me right now, okay, in this video, it is one of my cosmetic. Is it your own? Yeah, I can't actually do without baking soda. It is all purpose. I'm going to be making a different video, you know, speaking about the benefits and the uses of this baking soda. Honestly, I use baking soda as my facial scrub sometimes, and it is a very powerful one, especially when you combine it with coconut oil. Oh my goodness, if you try it out, you are going to love the texture of your face. No matter how rough your face will be, try this out with coconut oil. And another one again that I can't do without, don't ask me, is this one a cosmetic? Lemon. Oh my god. Oh, lemon, lemon. Honestly, I can't do without lemon. I would say this is one of my cosmetics as well. I can't do without lemon. This is what I use as my face cleanser. Yes. So this one goes with my cotton pad. Yes, if I want to wipe that dirt off my face, I'm not talking about removing makeup from your face. Yeah, I normally use lemon. It is a very good one. Honestly, if you try it out, you are going to love it, especially if you've got oily face. Try this out as your facial cleanser. Yeah, this is fresh lemon. Yeah. Honey is one of my cosmetics. If you watch most of my DIY, my beauty videos, you will see that yes, honey is always there. I can't do without honey. Honey is actually a very good one for me. It is a perfect one for me. Honestly, I use it literally in all my DIY videos. Yes. So the ones I'm going to be doing subsequently, you are going to be seeing this. If you can lay your hands on the organic one, oh, powerful. It is a very good one. Another baba that I can't really do without is olive oil. Yes, olive oil. What can I do without you? Olive oil is actually a very good one for me, fam. It helps to hydrate my skin. It helps to clear acne from my face. I use it sometimes as my makeup remover. I add it to my body DIY shower gel. I add it to my body cream. I add it to my facial cream. I can use it as well as my hair moisturizer. Oh my goodness. Olive oil is actually a very powerful one. So if you are prone to acne, try using olive oil to hydrate your face. Then before you now use any of your makeup remover. And don't forget, if you know you've got acne, okay, please stick to lemon. It is a very good one. It is going to help to get rid of oil from your face, okay, in a very good way. All right, it is not going to rob your face of its natural properties. It is a very good one. But if you've got dry skin, please do not use lemon to clean your face. You can use olive oil if you've got dry skin. You can use it if you've got oily skin. So you can see how powerful this oil is. Yeah, if you're looking for that homemade remedy that will make your face to look younger, yeah, count on turmeric. It is a very good one. You can use it as your facial mask. All right, it is a very good one. You can mix it with egg and apply it on your face. You are going to definitely love it. Okay. And another powerful one again that I just added to my cosmetics bag is ginger. Ginger powder. Yes, ginger powder is a very good one. Okay, I'm going to be adding it to most of my DIYs from now. Yes, so stay tuned, all right, because we are going to be having subsequent DIYs as well. And please, if you know there are some things that you feel okay, you use regularly that are very good for you, and you feel, oh, it is good for me to have it, please let me know in the comment section. All right, okay. And if you like any of these things that I've shown to you, please go ahead and buy it. Okay. That's basically it for today's video. Thank you all so much for sticking around. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And please do like this video if you know you haven't yet. And I'll be seeing you all in my next one. Bye-bye.